Hello, this is an inside tour of the 2005 Crestline. I'm going to kind of walk through what all the features and give you a look at the interior. The floor's in decent shape. Seats are cleaned up. No tears or rips in them. They have been redone. They're not original when it comes to that. So plenty of storage down below. When it comes to that, there is actually three doors, one on each side, one in the front there. The ladder, I'll show that to you real quick. It comes on and off, just pull it out. Nice white straps, plenty of storage. See if I can open these with one hand doing the video. Plenty of storage. There's fenders, 5 fenders there that come with it. Trying to show all the features here. It does have a like a little miniature deck up there. Person can sit off of there, put their feet in the water. It is a brand new cover on it. Looks like somehow a frog got up there. A brand new enemy cover. Console here, tell you a little bit about it. It has a sink. We never used it, so I'm not sure the pump works on that, but certainly could be plumbed in. Here's your built-in trash can there. A back view of everything here. That is a brand new captain's chair. Cool feature with it is it pops up so that you can put it up high. Allows you to see a little higher when you're driving. We added this swivel captain chair to the back. This is a fisherman's type of boat. So we added this one here. It was not originally with this, or when we got it, the boat. There may have been some back here. A couple cool features that is here. This is built in what they call rod storage, long narrow storage there. That pops up, allows you to do your fishing rods. Sorry, trying to not make you sick, but a couple features here. The anchor, we added a automatic or a powered anchor that you just basically raise it up and down off there. This is for we just carpeted this. Oop, helps if I undo the latch. And it has everything you need there. Pump, once again, didn't try the pump, but it will pump. You put that in there and allow you to fill it up. That's where you can put your fish, live fish there, but we just carpeted that. Let's see here, let's go for up here by the thing. We did put a radio. It's not a high quality one, but it works. It's a Bluetooth, just a Walmart type of there's your Mercury control. One thing that everybody will ask, it is a 14 passenger, so you have lots of room for people. It is a 115, but we'll talk about the outside when we do a video on that. Have added some USB plugs. You have 12-volt plugs for charging when it comes to that. So we'll do a video on the exterior when we get ready, another video.